In today's video, I'm going to teach you how can you automatically log emails in HubSpot CRM. By the end, your team's email conversations will land on the right contact, company, and deal timelines without any manual work, so your records stay complete and your reporting becomes far more reliable. Start by opening your HubSpot account and heading to your main home dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace where you want email logging to apply. From here, we'll move straight into your settings to control how emails are captured. Click the Settings gear in the top navigation. In the left sidebar, find the section for your preferences and select Email. This is where HubSpot centralizes email behavior, including logging. If you don't see email in your sidebar, you may need higher permissions or to switch to the account-level settings view. Check with your admin if needed. Next, open the email logging settings. This area determines what gets recorded to timelines and how broadly the rules apply. It's especially useful for standardizing behavior across a sales or service team, so everyone's interactions are tracked the same way. Now choose to apply a default log setting for all users. Turning on a default is powerful for consistency. Instead of each person deciding whether to log or not, your organization defines the rule once. Note that only users with the right permissions can enforce settings across all users, so if you don't have access to this toggle, an admin will need to apply it for you. With that in place, enable the option to log all emails. This tells HubSpot to automatically capture emails sent from connected inboxes and through the CRM and attach them to matching records. For the most accurate logging, make sure user inboxes are connected to HubSpot beforehand. Otherwise, HubSpot can't see outbound messages to log them. Also, take a moment to review your never log list and domain exclusions. Add personal or sensitive domains here, so emails to HR, finance, or personal contacts never make it into the CRM. This keeps your database clean and respects privacy. Finally, click Save to confirm your changes. It's a good idea to verify everything is working. Send a quick test email to a contact you own, then open that contact in HubSpot and check the activity timeline for the new email. If it's there, you're set. That's it. You've enabled automatic email logging in HubSpot CRM, standardized it for your team, and protected sensitive communications with exclusions. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.